All right, mate. Today we're here to talk about father and daughter relationships. No, we're going to talk about self-doubt because it's a bastard, that one. I'm going to teach you because I'm the master of teaching self-doubt. No, not really. We can get over self-doubt and carry on being as awesome as we are. Realise that we're all in this boat together. It's a boat. It's probably one of the worst boats that was ever built, but it's the self-doubt boat and you're in it and we're all in it. And even your favourite artists are in it. And they're in it worse because they've got more pressure. So don't worry about it, all right? It's going to get worse. Nah, just kidding. Well, not really. It does get worse. It's okay. It's normal. And there's ways that we can get over self-doubt. I'm going to tell you a couple of ways. The first one, I just told you, realising that we're all in it together. The second way, focus on the positive things, not the negative. Self-doubt is literally a form of negative thinking. You know, if you're really, really happy and confident all the time in yourself, you're not going to get any self-doubt. So you need to trick your brain into doing that instead. Small wins, right? You celebrate all of your little achievements, no matter how small they are. You just come at life in a different way, thinking, yeah, I'm awesome. I did this. I EQ'd this kick drum brilliantly today, and I couldn't make the rest of the song good. No idea what I was doing, but the way this kick drum has been EQ'd is just fantastic. And what I'm going to do now, going to get a bottle of champagne, go down to the beach, call up Ron, and he's going to bring me a carpet, and I'm going to fly away on a magic carpet. Focus on the little things in your progress, because it's all like a journey. We'll get to that point later. Always appreciate every little step that you've taken, and even if you're working on something, nothing really worked out, but maybe you can think, okay, at the very least, I realised things weren't working, I stopped wasting more time, and I went and did something else. And that in itself is a win, because I knew when to stop. So you can always find the little small wins in everything you do. And then you can start to generate a bit of momentum and a bit of like positive thinking about what you're doing. All right, yeah, judgment time. So when analysing your music, when you're sitting down, you've tried something out, doesn't work, you're frustrated, you're like, why isn't this working? You're not analysing it in the right frame of mind then, are you? It's like when someone posts something on Facebook and you think, oh, the world, like, oh, why is everyone... Nah. You gotta chill your beans, mate. You gotta chill the beans. Take your beans, put them in the fridge, chill them, take them back out a few hours later or a day later. They're nice and cool. You got some nice, cool, chilled beans, and then you can have a look at them and play with them and see what's up. Don't worry about taking time off. Sleep. There's plenty of days in the year. Analyse your work when you're feeling refreshed, not in the moment when you're frustrated. Because you might have actually done something quite good, but you're just pissed off at yourself for one reason or another. And then you make wrong decisions and you think, oh, this is crap. Whereas maybe it was actually good. And the next day when you looked at it, you know, you came back refreshed and you're like, actually, yeah, this is cool here, but not here. Oh, I know what I need to do. Learn to analyse and judge things at the right time, not in a knee-jerk reaction kind of sense. Hope that makes sense. Yeah. Comparison. This is a fun one. It's something we all do. Compare our work to those of our idols. We think, oh, we'll never be as good as them. It's fine to compare your work with someone else as long as you're doing it from a perspective of learning. You can really admire what someone is doing and you should love them for it and be like, this person's doing great. I love what they do. I'm inspired by that. I'm going to take that level of dedication that they put into their work and I'm going to put that into my own work. I'm going to make something completely separate, something different, so the world has something new. Not the same thing. Someone's already doing that, and we can all already enjoy it. So why would I go and do something like that? I'm going to do something completely different, but it's going to be just as good. That's the mind frame you want to be coming from. You never really feel the need to get jealous of someone else. Comparisons can't get you down if you think about it like that. You know, I can get to this quality, but I'm going to do it my own way, my own time, my own pace. And then you don't need to let that give you any cause to doubt yourself. Understanding the journey. One of the main reasons why we get frustrated is because we want things in the short term. We want the fast results now. We want to be this good right away. And the truth is, even if you do get a fast result and all of a sudden you're this good, there's still room to improve. The game never ends. It's always going to be evolving. As artists, there's always new ideas, new people come along, new subgenres. It always evolves. And you've got to learn to just love the process, riding on that wave of doing shit. It doesn't matter exactly where you are right now, What matters is your mindset and that you're willing to learn and improve, and you're willing to, most importantly, enjoy the journey. There's always going to be more time to get better anyway. So what's the problemo? Chill, man. Chill. If you want some weekly feedback on your music, weekly tutorials, already 20, and also join my awesome production group, then join my Patreon. You can join the Elite Squad for as little as €5 per month, which is nothing if you ask me. Join me on there. If not, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, whatever stuff. See ya.